What's up, everybody? Joe here, and I'm putting these videos out to try to reach more people. I've had a lot of people ask me about stock tips and what I do to consistently create money, and I'm going to try to put these out in the evening so that people that have jobs and other responsibilities can make some money. You just put your orders in overnight, and it's worked for a few people so far. So more and more people are asking me. So instead of sending out text messages to everybody with screenshots and the whole deal, we'll just knock it all out in one spot. I'm not going to promote this channel, but I'm sure it could possibly reach other people and maybe help some more people. So all we do is we look, the market is down. So we're looking to buy, right? It's very simple. Run the scanner. This is the only one that comes up. These are the kinds of setups I like. Do your own research. Remember, this is not financial advice, so sheeps go to slaughter. If you're dumb enough to just trust anybody, then you kind of get what you deserve. But let's take a look at Ball. Now we're just looking at the financials. The screener doesn't do really that great a job of taking into account the debt. I'm okay having companies with a little bit of debt. Typically, I want debt under 4. So we're good here. We're looking for the dividend and the PE range. Typically, you want to be under 18 for most companies. There are a few companies I'll go up higher, and we'll get into those as we go. The long-term intention is to do live stream in the evening and answer questions that way. So I'm not going to be answering comments or anything like that. If you know me personally, feel free to send me a text or something like that, but we'll try to handle that on the live streams. The only other things we're looking at right here are the EPS. So this just shows that the company's making money. It made money this year. It's going to make money next year. So this is really solid stuff. Insiders and institutions. So you can see hedge funds on most of this company, and they're selling off. So the only thing that makes this strategy work for me is the sell target. So the sell target is at 1%. So 56.36. The market is closed. It does not matter. If you can set an OTO order in, do that. If you want to give it a go. Remember, it's all at your own risk. So if we had 56.36 as the order price to buy, what would be the sell target? I'll give you guys just a few seconds. 56.92, right? So that's what order I'll put in. You can see the big volume. It's going to reverse. It does every time. We can look at the charts too, and you can see. But I'll try to keep these short, and then I'll go over kind of what my activity was for the day as kind of a recap at the end. So you'll get what you need, and then you can move on. But you can see here, the RSI dipped here, and then it ripped. So that's likely what will happen again. Earnings didn't look like they were that great. But the strength of the strategy is once we buy it, you can see the dividends going to come in. So we're protected that way a little bit, and then we'll average in. So I'm only putting 1% of my account at risk, and we're just going to keep pounding them as long as the market's down, right? So a little quick recap over the plays we did on Friday. We did Stanley, and you can see that's a nice reversal, right? We're buying down here at the 30 RSI, and it just ripped. We sold this twice and made money. And then the other play we took on Friday was Verizon. We're still in this one, but we're almost to sell target. But we did also take options on this. Let me go through and I'll see exactly which contracts we took. If you guys want to go through and look at the chain yourself. Looks like we took the call for 6/16/23 and for January 2023, and we made 15.5% on those contracts. We just liquidated at the close. We were up, and It's risky to hold overnight, but I'm confident to hold that too. But just equity, it's still holding. Uh, we're we're currently up 0.64%. So our sell target is 1% on that, and the market was down, and this was way up. You can see it over here too. Market's down. This is up. So we're riding with the tide of the market, but we're capturing moves that allow us to outperform. So we put the buy order in, we put the sell order in, good till canceled, and you don't have to look at any charts. You just walk away, start building some data, check in, every day with the videos, and we'll start showing you some progress. It's hard on the first video because we didn't have an entry, but we will go ahead and put the order in for ball, and we'll check on it on Monday. So I hope this helps. If it does, uh, if you want me to live stream, just share it, because apparently I have to have 50 subs. So if not, that's cool. I hope it helps, and we'll catch you on the next day.